being a grandma. No one warned you how much you're going to love being a grandma. No one told me I'd be making a video for YouTube either, but here we are. So, yeah, lots of people on YouTube have been encouraging mature folks to go ahead and get started with a channel. So I said, why not? I really have nothing to lose. Let's do it. So here we are. My videos will be primarily about things like cooking, sewing, quilting, all in the background of dramatic sirens and police cars. So this is just part of where I live. I live right next to Route 5, and it is very noisy. So if you heard that, I'm sorry. That's just life where I live. And anywho, so love to cook. I've got lots of good cooking tips for you. I also went on to Social Security, so I can tell you some no-nos, things you shouldn't do when you're deciding whether or not to start taking Social Security. I made some boo-boos and learned from it. Maybe my mistake can help you not to do the same thing. And that's about it as far as what my channel is going to be about. I have spent some time doing practice videos to try to just analyze, what am I doing on video that I could change to make it a little better quality video. I'm still working on that, but I am aware that as a newbie, I'm going to have a learning process, and there is a learning curve with making videos, uploading them, editing them, and all the different things that you do as a YouTuber. So if that sounds like fun to you and you want to come along for the ride with me, then please come back. In the meantime, give me a like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Keep smiling. Bye.